If you're looking to cancel your booking.com reservation, it's pretty simple. Once you're logged into the website, just go over to the top right. You will see your profile name. Click on that and choose bookings and trips. There you will see your upcoming reservation. Click on that reservation you want to cancel, and that will open up the reservation details page. And once again, click on your reservation which you want to cancel, and that will open the full details of your reservation. Now to cancel, all you need to do is just go to this cancel your booking on the top right section. When you click on that, that will open up a new page. And here you first need to choose a reason why you're canceling it. Choose the most appropriate reason. And here on the right hand side, you will see if there is any cancellation fee applicable on your reservation, depending on what was the cancellation policy you choose when you made the reservation. If you want to see the full details of the cancellation policy, you can click on this, and that will open up the details on a separate window. And once you're happy with it all, just click on continue, and that will cancel your reservation immediately. I really hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.